this is like the entirety of my paycheck. If I don't win this, then I'm fucked. Never won anything in my life, and I'm barefoot right now. So, can you blur out the toes too? Ooh! Ooh!
Oh, red! I fucking love red like a dog penis. I'm putting my money on red. 300,000 on red. Red.
Okay, I'll put green.
Blue! Blue! Blue's gonna take it. Blue's gonna take her, or else they're gonna take my kids. Blue! 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 Blue!
I'm going for the purple nurple. You know, I'm gonna come in from behind, just give him a good squeeze, knock him through, and give it my all. Baby. I'm betting the whole band.
To fucking betting our money, to going all the way, even when our wives tell us they're gonna take the kids away, we stand and we prevail. Hey, let's hope the cops never find us.
Yeah!
Yeah!
Gotta flip. You on the phone? Alright, hey, give him some time. He's on the phone.
Yeah?
Don't bother me.
Mr. Trump, I'll pay you.
He got to bail Trump out. He got to bail Trump out.
Good five. I'm really feeling about this one. I think it's in my soul.
I'll match it.
Okay. How about this? Yeah. Fuck your match.
Oh no. Fuck, that's the natures now.
This is all of my stimulus.
3, 2, 1.
Baby, I'm watching, baby.
Hey, I'm at 500 on board. Oh shit! He hit the current.
They coming on.
Red ball.
No, I took the cake.
The end is over there. No, the end's all over there. Hella far.
Dude, red is still going good though.
Red is actually doing real well. Red lock.
No!
My house.
We still got blue here. Hey! What are you doing? Hey, no. No, disqualified.
He's gonna take the kid.
Hey, Chris.
Yeah, what's up?
You think I could borrow some more money, dude?
How much?
Hey, who's orange?
Hey, how much on the next race? 10K?
Who's orange? Who's
Can I at least 10K? Me. At least 10K.
Tonight?
Right now.
Oh, fuck, okay. I need to think then.
Okay. I take Cash App too. Okay. I gotta go.
Yes!
Does your life change forever now?
No, I'm still dead, but I won.
I lost.
Hey, what's the next bet?
I'm gonna at least do fucking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Well, money, but I still got 100K.
Okay, that's 1K on the orange boat. One more time.
$30.
Or $30.
Hey, where you going?
Hey,
You stole money.
did you just fucking take off?
Did you take one of our boats?
It's his video.
Yo, what's up?
So in order to, break even, I have to win all 3 races, and I've only won 1 out of 3. And there's 1 more coming up. So instead of that 10K, can we make it 20?
Oh, fuck.
Dude, I know. I ask you for money all the time, but this time I swear to God, I'm gonna pull through, Chris. I'm gonna pull through for us.
You still owe me 40, bro.
No, it's okay. Don't worry about it. Don't think about it.
Fine.
Thank you. Hey, Apple Pay, just Apple Pay it, and send $1 extra so I can deposit it right now.
Okay.
You're the best, Chris.
Mhm.
How much money I'm making right now? See this? Oh! I wipe my ass with $100. I'm ready for more. Because he's disabled. Just a little bit.
Can I still use this?
Let me count real quick. 1, 2, 3.
Go!
Dude, you can't get that from the earth. It's not allowed. Orange and green are in the top 2 right now. Trying to sink our battleship. An unexpected joint and blue. Look at blue! Blue balls. Fuck, look at those two up there.
Fidel, what are you doing?
Go green!
Come on, orange.
Fuck!
Come on.
Why does the green go?
Shit.
So what's that? Second place.
Who's got second place?
Bet. Second tier bet. Great! No! Look it! I got third! No, my green's not moving!
Where's green?
A fucking DNF? Did not fucking finish? DNF?
And then all on this track, there's 3.
As you know, I own the patent for Ruben's Feet Fix. I got all the money. I can't go home. I sold the home. I'm gonna jump. I'm gonna jump. No!
Give me my fucking money. Give me my fucking win. You saw who won?
Yeah, right now I ain't got no fucking. I ain't got no fucking money. Fucking fun. Okay. Shit, what the? Who owns the patent for your feet picks, bitch? This is my money. Who do you think really won? Huh? Wipe your ass.
This kid's around, Fidel. I can't do that.
He said do it.
Fuck.
That looks pretty good.
Can I have my 100?
It's on the floor.
I'm gonna
bitch.
sniff it. It's all on the floor.